Hi students and dear viewers, I'm here again today to explain the Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2019 paper 22 database part. So in this part of the question paper, they ask us that to using a suitable database package import the file. So first of all we need to create a database here, access a blank database, and I'm going to name it, for example, P22 2019 June, and then I'm going to save it in the folder where my rest of the documents are, just like that, and then click on create. Close this table and start with the external data to import a file, and this file is a CSV file, so it means it is a text file. So we need to click here on text file, then browse, then desktop. In this folder our file is cruises, this one. Next, first step to click on next. Second step, first row contain field name, and then next, then you click on advanced to check for the files with the data type. So all of them are text except sail date is date and time, duration and passengers are number. So all of them are text. But here, before you import, here in our file the date format is first date, then month and year. But here it is showing first month, date and year. So change this one to DMY. Otherwise you will get import errors. So click on OK. Next, choose your primary key, and your primary key is course reference. Next, finish. File is imported. Click on close. They want us this one to be in the format of DTMMYY. So right click, design view, click on date and choose the format from here as they have mentioned. Then click on save and close this table imported. Next step is to place in your evidence document screenshot showing the field name and data types. Right click, design view, print screen, then go to your evidence document to paste this one as your evidence 7. Format, crop and remove the unnecessary part of the picture, just like that. So field names and data types can be seen clearly now. Next step is import one more file, J229 shifts.csv. So external data, text file, browse, shifts.csv. First step, click on next. Second step, first row contains field name, then next, advance and DMY again, as we have here date, month and year format. We have nothing to do with the fields, data types. Next, and choose your own primary key, and this time ship_code is our primary key. Next, finish and then click on close. So you can see here our file is here now. Just right click and open. Let's see how it look like. So this is how it is. Then click on close and move forward to the next step. Create one-to-many relationship between ship code in ships table and ship reference code in the cruises table. So we'll click on database tools, relationships, add both the tables. So ship code with the ship reference. Yeah, ship code with the ship reference, and then just click on enforce referential integrity and then just click on create. Relationship is created. Save and print screen here. because in the next step they ask you to place in your evidence document screenshot showing the relationship. So here is the relationship. Paste it and then crop it so that we can see only the relationship, no other information is required. Just like that. Next step is step number 22. Add the following as a new record in the cruises table. So we need to open the cruises table, then click on new, and then we need to enter the data SE06, date is 19 May 18, then SE042E and then settle, and then after is destination is Alaska, duration 21, passengers 2100, then full, and theme is none. So click on save, record is added, close the table. Next step is using field from cruises table, produce a tabular report. So using the cruises table, so you click on cruises, create a query, select all the fields, next, and this is our question number 23, and modify the query now. Now they ask us to look for theme, art or music. So theme is art or music, then departure port is Miami, so departure port is Miami. Just click on save and run. So here is something missing here, like departure port. So what we need to do is we need to put a star before and then after here, and then we will click on run. So still we are having problem. Departure port is the spelling mistake is here, Miami. Now you can get the, so if you don't put even this wildcards even, it's okay. You don't need to put star operator here. Save and run. Still you will get the specific information right. Next step, what you need to do is you need to start producing a report. So close this one, click on your query and create starting report, and this will include the departure port, then after our destination, sell date, and then theme, duration, and then passengers. Next, no grouping, then they need data into ascending order of sale date. Sale date ascending order. Next, with a portrait orientation. Next, and they want the title, that Miami courses, just like that, and then finish. Report is produced. Now we need to adjust it by clicking on layout view, like sell date need to be arranged. The data as well as the labels are not clearly visible, so we need to fix that one. Like this one need to be made smaller little bit. Now you can see information clearly. You can make this one smaller as well, both of them. just like this. Then after theme need to be adjusted, then duration, and then number of passengers. So it will fit on a single page wide, and then after calculate the total number of passengers in the selection and position this number under the passenger column at the end of the report. So we will just right click on the data, then right click total passenger and sum. So you reach the end, you will get the number here. Then has a label total passengers to the left of the value. So right click, set a caption. So we just need the label as they say total passengers, and then has your name, center number, candidate number in the header of header, so it is displayed on every page. So right click and then design view, or just click on report view first. Let's see how many pages. Print preview. So it has 2 pages, so close and right click design view. So your name, center number should be displayed on every page. So what you do in this case? In this case you just need to increase the size of page header and move the data from here, labels little bit down, and just include your name, center number here, so they are displayed on every page. One thing you just need to do, just click here, create, and then write a line. That's it. And next step they said you need to print your report, and then placing your evidence, screenshot showing database formula used to calculate the number of passengers. So we just need to print screen this one, save, go to your evidence document and paste this here, and format and crop it so that we don't need other part of the picture except them. So this is your evidence, increase, fine. And next step is here, step number 24, use both the tables to create a Tableau report. So save and close, create one more query by using wizard to choose courses, cruises and ships table. Next, and this one is your query 24. Modify it. Now they need us to get for them ship name include C. So ship name include C. So just type here a star because they have mentioned include, and then one more star at the end. Just like that. And then they said duration is 14 or more. So duration is greater than or equal to 14, and then board is full. Click on save and run. So these are the records. Next, contain a new field to calculate the total number of passenger nights. So we need to include one more field, and this will perform runtime calculation by multiplying duration with the passenger. So design view, let's move to the end, click here, then click on builder. So duration multiply by number of passengers, click on OK, and then include the field name, save and run. So they have calculated for you a new field at the end, just here. And then they have mentioned that what you need to do is show only the fields. So it means now you are going to produce a report. So click on your query, create report wizard, and then start choosing the fields. So first of all, sale date, then cruise reference, ship name, then departure, port and destination. So departure, port, then destination, and duration passenger, board, and passenger night. Then this one should not be group data. Sort the data in ascending order of destination and descending order of duration. So next, ascending order of destination and descending order of duration. Next, and that must be a landscape orientation as they have mentioned, and the heading is extended cruise sailings. So next, this must be the heading at the top. Finish, right click and design view, and then they have mentioned that has your name, candidate number on the report. So label, and then has your name, then center number, candidate number. Now layout view, and then just arrange the data. Ship name, departure port, number of passengers, then board, and then passengers night. Then click on save, and next step is to print the report. Now in the next step they said in step number 25, use field from both the tables, produce an extract which will show only the theme, taster, and less than 4 duration. Save, close this one, and create one more query using both the tables. Next, and this is step number 25. Finish. So show only the record theme is taster and duration is less than 4. So duration is less than 4 and theme is taster. So save and run. This is what we need. And then show only these 3 fields: cruise reference, ship name. So design view, we don't need destination, departure port. Destination we don't need, passenger, board, theme, ship code, ship name is required, and cruise information. So we just need to uncheck the others. So we remove the rest of the fields here. Length and information about the trip. So ship name and then cruise name and duration. Sail date we don't need. We don't need the ship reference as well. So when I click on run, only 3 fields are here and the order must be cruise reference, then ship name, then duration. So we need to move this one here. Just like that. Click on save and close this one. And next step they said save the extract and then export the extract created in step 25 to RTF format. So right click, export to RTF. I will choose the step number 25. So I'm going to name this one that exported file. Exported file step 25. Save and then just click on close. And now you need to take a screenshot that it is saved into your work area. So you need to go to your files here and click on the exported file and just click on view here to see all the details. Now print screen and go to your evidence document and paste this one, crop it, just like that. And then next step is, that's all. So that's all from the database part of this question paper. Hope you have learned how to deal with the access by creating database and other options like producing queries and reports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updated videos and information.